Hello, myself Vinod Panara, and in this lecture we discuss about working with text file. It means how to create text file, how to read text file, and how to write some content in text file. Okay. So the first topic, that is types of file. So, as the part of programming requirement, we have to store our data permanently for future purpose. For this requirement, we should go for file. Files are very common permanent storage area to store our data. There are two type of file. First, text file. Usually we can use text file to store character data. For example, abc.txt. That is one type of text file. Then second one, binary file. Usually we can use binary file to store binary data like image, video file, audio file, etc. Then first topic, that is opening a file. So before performing any operation on the file, first we have to open that file. For this, we should use Python inbuilt function, that is open and parenthesis. But at the time of open, we have to specify mode, which represent the purpose of opening file. Why we open file? Read purpose, write purpose, append purpose. That is different type of mode that we have to discuss later on. Now, syntax for opening a file, F is equal to open, file name and mode. So open, this word that is used for opening a file, and here file name and here mode. Now the allowed mode in Python are, first R means read mode. So to open an existing file for read operation, the file pointer is positioned at the beginning of the file. If the specified file does not exist, then we will get file not found error. Okay, and this is default mode. Okay. Then W, open an existing file for write operation. If the file already contains some data, then it will be overwrite. If the specified file is not already available, then this mode will create that file. Okay, so R means that is one type of mode. It means for read operation, to read content of file, and W means that is also one type of mode for write operation. It means it write some data in the file, and if data already present in a file, then this new data that overwrite pre-existing data. Okay. Then third one, A, open an existing file for append operation. It won't overwrite existing data. Okay. If the specified file is not already available, then this mode will create a new file. Okay. So A means append operation. It means if the some data already present in a file, then this new data won't overwrite that pre-existing data. Okay, so this new data that is add to the pre-existing data. Okay. Then R plus mode, to read and write data into the file. First operation read, second operation write. The previous data in the file will not be deleted. the file pointer is placed at the beginning of the file. Then W plus mode to write and read data. First operation write, second operation read. So it will overwrite existing data. Then A plus operation to append and read data from the file. It won't overwrite existing data. Then X mode to open a file in exclusive creation mode for write operation. If the file already exists, then we will get file exist error. Okay. All the above mode are applicable for text file. If the above mode suffix with B, then this represent for binary files. For example, RB, it means read operation for binary file, WB, write operation for binary file. In the same way, AB, R plus B, W plus B, A plus B, and XB. Now F is equal to open abc.txt, that is one type of file, and mode of operation W. We are opening abc.txt file for writing data. Okay. Then next one, that is closing a file. After completing our operation on the file, it is highly recommended to close the file. Okay. For this, we have to use close function. For example, f dot close parenthesis. Now, various property of file object. Once we open a file and we got file object, we can get various detail related to that file by using its property. Now, first name. It means name of open file. Then mode in which the file is open. Then closed, return boolean value indicate that file is a closed or not. It means it return boolean value true or false. Then readable, it return boolean value indicate that whether file is a readable or not. Then writable, it also return boolean value that indicate whether file is writable or not. Now, for example, f is equal to open ab.txtw. So here ab.txt, that is one type of file, and w, that is mode. It means write mode. And we open file, so here open. Now print file name, that is f.name. Then print file mode, that is f.mode. Then print is file readable, f.readable. Then print is file writable, f.writable. Then print is file closed, f.closed. Then we close file, f.close. Then again we ask print is file close, f.close. Okay, so first f is equal to open ab.txt and mode w. Then print file name f.name, so output that is ab.txt, file name. Then print file mode f.mode, here mode w. Then print is file readable, f.readable. No, it is w mode, not r mode, so false. Then print is file writable, f.writable. Yes, mode w, so it is true. And print is file close, f.close. No, it is not close. Okay, then we close file, so f.close. And then if print is file close, f.close, True. Yes, it is closed. So true. So readable, writable, closed, this all function return Boolean value. It means true or false. Okay. So if we run this program, then output for first one, file name ab.txt, file mode w, is file readable false, is file writable true, is file closed false, is file closed true. Okay. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So this same program, but before starting of this program, this is ab.txt file, and this file do not contain any content. Okay. Now f is equal to open ab.txt and w mode. Okay. First print file name f.name, then file mode f.mode, is file readable f.readable, is file writable f.writable, is file closed f.closed, then f.close, then print is file close f.close. So if we run this same program, then output, that is for first one ab.txt, second w, third false, fourth true, false, true. Okay. Then next one, writing data to a text file. We can write character data to the text file by using following two methods. First write, then in the parenthesis str, and then write lines in the bracket list of lines. Now for example, f is equal to open abc.txt and w mode. So here file name abc.txt and w mode. Now f.write, it means write this content in abc.txt file. So f.write Kisan and backward slash n. It means in the next line. In the next line, f.write software, then backward slash n. It means in the next line, f.write solution backward slash n. Then print data written to the file successfully. So first in abc.txt file, first line Kisan, it is written, then software, then solution, and then data written to the file successfully. So then f.close, it means compulsory or close file. So if we run this program, then output is in abc.txt file, it contains first line Kisan, second line software, third solution, and then data written to the file successfully. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So this same program, but before starting of this program, this is abc.txt file, this is, but this file do not contain any line. Okay. Now this program, f is equal to open abc.txt and w mode. First f.write Kisan, then backward slash n, then f.write software backward slash n, f.write solution backward slash n, then print data written to the file successfully, and then file closed. So if we run this program, then output, that is data written to the file successfully. It means all this data, Kisan, software, solution, all this data that is written to the file. Which file? abc.txt successfully. So now if we open this abc.txt file, then it contains three lines: Kisan, software, solution. In first line Kisan, in second line software, in third line solution. Okay. In the above program, data present in the file will be overwrite every time if we run the program. It means if some data present in the file already, then it is overwrite by new data. Okay. Now instead of overriding if we want append operation, then we should open the file as a follow. F is equal to open a.txt then a. This a means append operation. Okay. Now for example, f is equal to open b.txt a. Here this b.txt, that is one type of file, and a, that is append operation. Now list, it contains three elements: Gopi, Rahul and Kishan, and this backward slash n, backward slash n. Now f dot write lines and in the bracket list. Then print list of line written to the file successfully. Then f dot close. So if we run this program, then in the b.txt file, first Gopi, then backward slash n means in the new line Rahul, in the new line Kishan. Okay, and then this one print list of line written to the file successfully. So this Gopi, Rahul and Kishan, that is append in b.txt file. Okay. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So this one f is equal to open b.txt a, then list, then f dot write line, same program. But before starting of this program, this is b.txt file and no content present in this file. This is b.txt file. Okay. Now our program, that is f is equal to open b.txt and append mode. Then list, it contain Gopi, Rahul, Kishan, then f dot write line and in the bracket list, then print list of line written to the file successfully, then f dot close. So if we run this program, then output, that is list of lines written to the file successfully. It means this Gopi, Rahul, Kishan, these three line written to the file. Which file? b.txt. Okay, written to this file successfully. So if we open this b.txt file, then Gopi, Rahul, Kishan, these three line written to this file successfully. Okay. So R means read mode, W means write mode, and A means append mode. Okay. Then list of line written to the file successfully. While writing data by using write method, compulsory we have to provide line separator, that is backward slash n. This is line separator. This means in the new line. Okay. Otherwise, total data should be written to the single file. Now, reading character data from text file. We can read character data from text file by using the following read method. Read parenthesis to read total data from the file, then read n to read n character from the file, then read line to read only one line, then read lines to read all lines into a list. Now for example, to read total data from the file. Now f is equal to open b.txt. b.txt means that we have to discuss in previous program. So b.txt file that contain Gopi, Rahul, Kishan, these three line. Okay. Now f is equal to open b.txt file and read mode. So data is equal to f dot read. It means first we read file, then all the data present in the file that is equal to one variable, that is data, then print data. So then f dot close. So if we run this program, then output that is Gopi, Rahul and Kishan, because these three data present in b.txt, and whenever we read this file, so we read this three data, and this three data that is transferred to the variable and then print that variable, then file close. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So f is equal to open b.txt and read mode. Then data is equal to f dot read, then print data and f dot close. Okay. So if we run this program, then output that is Gopi, Rahul, Kishan, because this three line present in a b.txt and that is print out. Okay. Then next example, to read only first 10 character. Okay. Now f is equal to open b.txt r. We open b.txt file and in R mode. And we know that in b.txt file, Gopi, Rahul and Kishan, these three words present in different line. Okay. Then data is equal to f dot read and in the parenthesis 10. It means to read only 10 characters. Okay. And remember one thing. In the next line, that is also one type of character. Okay. Then print data. So, and then file close. So if we run this program, then we get output Gopi and Rahul. Why? Because Gopi, it means first character, second character, third character and fourth character. So four character present in Gopi. Then in the next line, it is one character. So when transfer from Gopi to Rahul, it means in the next line, that is also one character. And then this Rahul contain five character. So Gopi contain four character. Then in the next line, that is one character. Then Rahul contain five character. So total 10 character print out. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So f is equal to open b.txt r. Then data is equal to f dot read 10 and print data and f dot close. So if we run this program, then output that is Gopi and Rahul. So print only 10 characters. Okay. Then next one, to read data line by line. Okay. So f is equal to open b.txt and read mode. Now line 1, f dot read line. First line, then print line 1 and end equal to. Then line 2, f dot read line. Then print line 2 and equal to. Then line 3, f dot read line. Print line 3 and end equal to. Then file close. So this read line function that is used to read only one line. Okay. So in first print line 1, in second print statement line 2, in third print statement line 3. So if we run this program, so first, so Gopi, that is print out for first print statement, then for second one Rahul and for third one Kishan. Okay. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So f is equal to open b.txt and r mode. It means read mode. So line 1 is equal to f dot read line. It means read first line. Then print line 1 and end equal to. Then line 2 f dot read line, print line 2 and end equal to. Then line 3 and end equal to. And then f dot close. So if we run this program, then output that is Gopi, Rahul and Kishan. Okay. Then to read all line into list. Okay. So f is equal to open b.txt and read mode lines is equal to f dot read lines. Okay, not read line, it is read lines, it means to read all line. Then for line inner lines print line and equal to this double quote. Okay, then f dot close. So this for loop continue for every line present in the file, for first line, for second line, for third line, for fourth line, for fifth line. So this for loop continue for every line present in the lines. Okay, and then it print out one by one first line, second line, third line in the next line. Oh, okay. Now if we run this program, then output that is copy. Then in the next line, this and equal to that is used for to represent in the next line, to print in the next line. So in the first line Gopi, then Rahul, then Kisan. Okay. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So f is equal to open b.txt and read mode. Then lines is equal to f dot read lines. For line inner lines, print line, then end equal to, then f dot close. So if we run this program, then output that is Gopi, then in the next line Rahul, in the next line Kisan. Okay. So this is about today lecture. In this lecture, we discuss about text file, how to read text file, how to write text file, how to append some content in the text file. Okay, so this is about today lecture. Thank you for today lecture.